Hello, beautiful YouTube fam. Hope you guys are doing very great. This is Anna, and before heading towards the main points, let me just tell you something which is very important. The well drawn base is like the foundation of the energy that a portrait, a body, whatever you are drawing carries. And this is very important, and always keep it in your mind that the base structure, what you are making, the initial stages of what you sketch, is the most important thing. Let me tell you something, as a beginner in arts, perfection will never have to be the goal. It always have to be learning, exploring, and finding your own unique style, because this is everything. Because every artist is different, everybody has their own unique style, and they are rocking with their own styles. And this is what you have to do, finding your own perfection in what you are good and unique for. And always remember, consistency is the key. No matter how small you are making, how small you are sketching, the main thing is you are practicing every day. You can try a cup, a plant, or a pencil. They are very simple objects, but this create a very big difference. So instead of doing nothing, practice a little from your time, and you will see a very big difference. So in the coming videos, I'm going to give you very detailed tutorials on charcoal, because this is my main medium and I am very good at acrylic as well. So we are going to discuss a lot of different tips, tricks, and all the things what I know. I will give it to you for free. So if you like my video, just hit the subscribe button and like it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.